Hey guys, how are you? Sorry, my hair is a mess, but that's okay. So today we're going to be talking about word endings using ed or ing. You kind of already talked about this, or you already did a paper on Monday using these word endings, but I thought we would do a quick YouTube video and then talk about this worksheet that you need to have completed for today as well. All right, so let's take a look at the worksheet or the YouTube video, and then we will chat about it after. Here we go.
Hey eSpark readers! Today we are going to learn about how adding different endings to a word can change the meaning of that word. Let's look at an example. I bet you know this word, walk. I am going to add the letters ing to the end of the word. Ing at the end of a word means something is happening right now.
So because she added ing, the walking is happening right now. So you could say, I am walking to the store, or she is walking to school, or he is walking to the park. All right, so that means it's happening right this minute, right now.
The word is now walking. Here is a sentence using the word. The girl is walking to school. So, this sentence means that the girl is walking right now. We can also add the letters ed to the end of a word.
So we kind of already talked about this. If walking means it's happening right this minute, what do you think walked mean? Walked means. Does it mean it's happening right now? Does it mean it already happened? Or does it mean it's going to happen? What do you think?
D at the end of a word means something happened in the past. The word
So it already happened. So she walked to her friend's house, but now she's back. He walked to the grocery store to pick up some strawberries. Okay, so it already happened.
is now walked. Here is a sentence using this word. The girl walked to school. This sentence means that the girl already walked to school. It happened in the past. Let's try adding these same endings to another word. This word is wave. When I add ing to the end of wave, the word becomes waving. Remember,
And see how she dropped the E from wave and added the ing? Waving. So is she waving right now, or did it already happen? She's waving right now, right?
the ing ending means that something is happening right now. Here is a sentence. The boy is waving at his mom. That means he is waving right now. When I add the ending ed to wave, the word becomes wave. This sentence says, the boy waved at his mom. You know that the ending ed means something that already happened. The boy already waved at his mom. Great job adding ing and ed endings to words. There is one more ending I want to teach you about today. Adding the letter S to the end of a word makes the word plural.
And we are not going to worry about that today. We'll talk about that another time. So let's take a look at your worksheet. I believe it's page 16 in your packet. And you're going to tell me if we need to add ed or ing. Okay, remember ed means it already happened. Ing means it's happening right now. So they enjoy blank basketball. Use the word bank and write the word that makes the most sense. They enjoy, so it means it's happening right now. They enjoy blank basketball. They enjoy playing basketball, right? So you would write playing in number 1 and cross it off. Take a look at number 2. He blank the glass on the floor. What did he do? Choose from the word bank. Raining, loved, dropped, by, watched, shopping, seen. He blank the glass on the floor. Number 3, we went blank for new shoes. You want me to? I'll read them one more time. Raining, playing, loved, dropped, by, watched, shopping, seen. Number 3, we went blank for new shoes. Number 4, she blank to play the piano. Number 5, it was blank all day long. And number 6, we blank a movie on TV. All right, so make sure you're using these words. You're only going to use them once, so go ahead, cross them off when you're done so you know which ones you have left. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Okay, take care. Bye.